when
night,
we were here before, there was nobody here.
right? And last night the population was 2,000. Today, 20,000.
It's crazy, but we're excited to go see the ruins and go downtown. So let's go explore. This is Ka. I probably said it wrong. This is the lagoon that we're going to spend the afternoon at and have lunch and enjoy the beach here. We walked out of our room tonight and the whole ship has been transformed to this red colors. Everybody's in red. It's kind of a cool vibe for the evening on this scarlet night. So let's check it out.
In red. Not only is it Scarlet Night, Red Night, but it's also Italian Night, and we're eating at Extra Virgin.
And we just found out that the origins of Scarlet Night, I don't still know why it's red, but apparently there was a sailor that went out and looked for his fortune, and he was praying to the goddess, and it turned out that he fell in the water, and the octopus goddess saved him, and when she saved him, she threw his soul up into the air, and he became the moon. And somehow that translates into Scarlet Night.
Scarlet Night. All right.
Okay.
It was fun.
You could say it, April. I was thinking of my high school friend who knew April, and then that way. Anyway, yeah. No, I just don't know.
I really do.
She's just like semi.
This might be
I saw her on post. I was like, yeah.
buttercream.
Gotcha. I was thinking that.
That's really good.
Yeah.